tight. Where's it turning too tight? Then doing that, it's just been.
Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, another training day up in the mountains. I've got a special guest again today. So we're out with Stevie, Hanna, Andy Kildare, and a couple of other boys with us as well. If you don't know Stevie, he's the guy who runs Enduro and and a lot of sort of the training events, especially for the juniors. So yeah, heavily involved with promoting the sport. Good guy. He's going to teach us some things today. Take us on a tour of his loop and give him a like on Facebook. Check out for the events as well. But yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's horrible, boy.
What's that?
We have a line up through the rocks.
Where?
It's there. See the edge of that rock?
Yeah.
Up around the back end. But there's a big step there. Oh, it's horrible. We're going to push these shit. Push these shit. Get them. Oh, it's easy, man.
But it's actually really good as a climb.
Kind of gas to be a bit sore, but
okay, well, they've got a strong start today, but we can always double back on them, pick them up again.
Alright Stevie, well done. It's keeping the momentum's the problem. It's keeping the momentum as soon as you get a bit of wheel spin.
I suppose you need to push it too long and it's up.
Yeah. He's carrying that initial traction from there the whole way up, like it's from there to there makes a difference. You know? Because if you go in there gingerly, then you're trying to get power on the hill and it just doesn't happen.
Yeah. I mean that left line is the best line going. Two big steps, so the step kicking
The big step on past that wee ridge there on the right lane.
Get that left now, go there, Stevie, see how you go. Yeah, that's Hanna. That's not a good start.
So saying there, you make between there and there is how you make the hill.
That's right. 100%. You need to be rolling by that first step. And once you clear that, and
Yep.
2 more wee steps, but as long as you've got momentum, you'll get up them.
Got this. It's just that wee step out of the log. Just
Really, once you bounce out, you've got this.
so yeah, there are times when you've just got to accept defeat. This is one. Woo-hoo. Cheers, Stephen, you dirty bastard! You dirty bastard.
You dirty bastard.
I thought I'd give you a helping hand there, push your back wheel, and you lit it right up and absolutely cover me.
Roosted.
And don't you know how they live in Tokyo? Fast and furious! Stop being a fucking pussy! That's how you fucking do it.
Fucking roosted the fuck I've ever seen.
Is it wrong if you think I can jump this?
Yeah. You're on a rock now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just right towards that wee bump.
That's what I said, you can jump it. Put too much touch at the end there.
That's just as graceful, but here, over's over.
Stevie, do you realise what you've just done?
Oh, that's over's over, just a little bit too much there, but
It's just as many up as your plastics on yet.
somewhere in between yours and his. So see when you're in that third position, Clark, if you ever are.
Yeah.
Hi, what I usually do is, you see, don't worry. Front wheel's obviously well jammed, so just fucking pull your weight forward. Alright, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's a wee bit less effort. Use your legs, remember your legs are stronger than your arms. Alright, so all good lessons. Put you back in the
How's it back in and you can get it yourself? Cheers, mate. Not so well done.
What I would do, I'll just show you here. Right, you're in this position here now.
Yeah.
Right, here's the brake, take out the brake. Fucking hell. What the fuck? Lethal.
Exactly.
Lethal.
That's why I said, is it a help zone? Because that flapper is fucking...
You're in the wrong side of the bike, first of all. You're not doing anything. I'm always fighting against it, so you see all I did was shift it there about 67 inches.
Yeah.
I'm right here. I'm not looking up there. Look, I want to get the bike in a manager position. I'm like, stiff brake. Alright, that possibly should break away, look. So, like, fuck it. Don't rush right now. Just get yourself right there.
Yeah.
Just look at that. Give it a bit more space. You're turning too tight. Because you're turning too tight, you're doing that, and it's just spinning.
Yeah.
Fucking ulcer bust it. No matter how fucking wide it takes you to get round.
Yeah.
You know, obviously the more experience you come, then you can turn, then you can fucking pivot, you can do whatever.
Yeah.
But ideally, we even look already at the position you're in now. I'd roll back, pull that front wheel down into there. So even starting from that there, fuck me, you're starting, bicycle will do this. So we're already up against it, so just roll it back. Yep, that's a better starting position. clutch in,
Yeah.
you've now lost all your momentum. So that's why I say don't worry about big Ulster bus turn. As light as possible. Until you can fire the clutch. Touch a clutcher, big front or wide turn. As soon as you turn tight,
Yeah.
everybody, you can do that. Spins, fucked, stop, okay, start again. Bollocks.
We got the second then, just now.
Well, that one there first, but I have extreme gear in this here, so everything I do is in second more or less. But I put the
That's why I'm on clutch first, I'm on second, I'm trying to wheel spin.
yeah.
And then having to.
But give your sheets, help yourself by turning as wide as possible. As soon as you turn that bike tight 90 degrees, remember, all of a sudden there's more of a load on her.
Whew. You alright?
You're stuck, Stevie. How do you say that's good stuff?
Stop.
See, what you want to do there, Stevie, is.
Yeah. When you're going around that corner, Stevie, what you want to do is not through the cut because you're losing momentum.